Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a purse that I've been looking for, so stay tuned to see what that is. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content, and hit the like button for this video if you want to see more content like it. Hey guys, I got a Fashionphile box in today. And I am beyond ecstatic to open it because it's something that I've been looking for. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it, and then we'll talk about what's in it and why I got it and the whole story that goes with it. So here we go. Right, so here's the Fashionphile box. I'm gonna try and do it over here so that you guys can see more of like the unboxing, but they always said, ooh, confetti. Lots and lots of confetti. It's all gray today, maybe for Carolyn Gray. Tons of confetti. And here is typically the receipt, yep, sales receipt, and then the we buy it back cards and all that. And I got another 2021 calendar. So I think this is my third one to get. Maybe I'll give that away to somebody, but used is the new. Let's pull this out. Oh, more confetti. They always wrap it so nicely. All right, you think you can guess what it is? Let's dig in. So this one I believe comes with the original dust bag and whatever. I'm getting a little sneak peek, and this is adorable. So it is the Alexander Wang Mini Rockie in Oxblood color. How pretty is that? So I'm gonna tell you exactly how Fashionphile listed this and all the dimensions and all that. So let me get right into it. So this is the Alexander Wang Pebbled Calfskin Mini Rockie Matte Oxblood. So it was listed in excellent condition. It says the hardware has scratches, a little bit on like the D-rings here and a little bit on the zipper pulls, but on the bottom, it's like almost brand new, if you can see that. But this is gorgeous. So for me, well, let me tell you this too. It comes with the dust bag and the strap, so that's inside of here, and I'll pull that out in a minute. The base length is 8.5 inches by 5.5 inches by 6 inches. The strap drop is 4 inches, and then the drop of the strap, it says it's 20.5 inches. So there you go. So here's the beautiful strap that goes with it. I'll insert some mod shots at the very end as well. And this again has the Alexander Wang name on there, if you can see that. Wow, this is in like excellent condition. So here's the dust bag that it comes in. This is different because it has like an actual leather patch like sewn onto the bag. That's beautiful. Like really nicely done. So I went with the Mini Rockie because, as you guys know, let's back that story up. As you guys know, I purchased what I thought was an Alexander Wang Mini Rockie on Poshmark, and I will link that video here. So you can go check that out. It was a very disappointing unboxing. It was not the mini, it was the regular Rockie size in black with rose gold hardware. It was really beautiful. If I can remember, I'll also insert a picture of it here. And it was really beautiful, and I got a really great deal on it, but I got a great deal on what I thought was the Mini Rockie. So I opened it and I had a decision to make. Do I want to take this great deal on a regular size Rockie, or do I want to get my money back and continue looking? So I did the latter, and I got my money back from Poshmark. It was disappointing, I'm sure, to the seller as well, but she understood because it was listed incorrectly. So I kept searching, and I found this on Fashionphile. And the reason I wanted the Mini Rockie is because I've talked to a few people that have the Rockie. I've watched tons of videos, and they all say it's a beautiful bag, we love it, but it is heavy. So I was like, what can I do? And if you recall, on my wish list for 2021, one of the things I wanted to get was something that had some color to it. I know this is a very muted color, but for me, something bright like a neon, or even kind of a red is a stretch for me, like a real true red. They're beautiful. And I'm always drawn to red and green bags, but I don't know that I would carry them. This is a color that I will absolutely carry. You guys know I wear a lot of black, especially in the salon. So I just thought this was beautiful. And then when I found this one on Fashionphile for, let me see what I paid. I don't even think I paid like a ton. So then I found this one on Fashionphile for $385. Tax was $32.21, shipping $17.60 because I did 2-day shipping. The order total was $434.81. If I hadn't done 2-day shipping, it would have been about $20 less, so about a little over $410 or something. But I wanted to get this in my hand, so I was ecstatic. Oh my gosh, and this leather feels so good. So because it's so heavy, I decided, I was looking around on Fashionphile, all of a sudden it popped up. I typed in Alexander Wang Rockie and it popped up all the mini Rockies and the Rockies and Roccos and all that. And I was like, there's a mini Rockie? Yes, there is. There's also, I believe it's called a nano Rockie. So I was like,
well, I have to have that.
So now I can tell you some of the differences between this and the Rockie. The Rockie obviously is a lot bigger. I was just looking, this mini Rockie has the zippered pocket right here on the end, really good for like a chapstick, maybe some cash if you wanted to. And on the Rockie, it had another zipper over here, and there's not one over here at all. And on the Rockie, they actually like layered on top of one another. So you unzipped it here and there was a pocket here, and you unzipped it here and there was a pocket here. I am thrilled with this bag. The color is gorgeous, the feel is great. Like I said, all it said was there was some hardware, scratches on the hardware, and I'm just really not even seeing that. There's like zero corner wear. It is just perfect. I am thrilled with this purchase. So now I've done the unboxing. Down the road, once I've used it a little bit, I will definitely do like a review and what fits in here. Here's the inside of the bag. It's actually still pretty spacious. Not quite, I don't think you're gonna fit quite the same that you're gonna fit in like a Speedy 25 or even my Belmont PM. But I think it's gonna fit just the right essentials. There is a slip pocket right here and then a zippered pocket on the back here that unzips pretty easily. And it is a very tiny pocket, so that might be the good pocket for some cash or something. But overall, I am just thrilled with this. This is so cute and so pretty, and this is really gonna be a great size. So I will insert some mod shots coming up. I'm 5'3" for reference if you wanna know like how well it fits me. And I think that's it for this unboxing. I'm gonna remove the tag and I'm gonna own this bag because gorgeous. So it knocked off a color bag for me, a bag in a color. And the other thing that wasn't really on my wish list, but it just started grabbing my attention is mini bags. Those are so popular right now, and I just really wanted one, but I just can't bring myself to pay $1,100 for a mini bag that, one, I don't know if I'll use, and two, it may not even hold the amount of stuff that I really truly love to carry. So for me, this was gonna be mini enough for now. And it's gonna carry like everything I could want. So that's it, you guys. That's it for the unboxing. I will insert some mod shots coming up here. I'm 5'3" for reference. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye. The other thing is, so it didn't go well earlier. There is a, oh, I forgot this is the Alexander Wang Mini Rockie. So I will end some, it's the Alexander Wang Mini Rockie. So this is gonna mark two things off of my wish list, but here it is. They're beautiful, and I'm always like drawn to reds and green bags.